Hey everybody, this is Harshit back with another video, and today we'll be discussing ShadCN's new component, which is a sidebar. A sidebar is actually one of the most important components when you're building a SaaS applications. Previously, you had to go build a sidebar yourself, or maybe use different components to craft your own sidebar using other GitHub repos. But now you can actually just reuse the whole component that is actually created by ShadCN itself. So before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to my channel here, right? So I think we were supposed to hit 1K very soon. So yeah, let's support me, and definitely be adding a lot more content here as well. So before that, I'm just going to open v0.dev and also ShadCN UI. And ShadCN UI, as you can see, this is the sidebar that I'm talking about. So the sidebar component, it's very important sidebar. Look at this. It's so smooth. The animations are so smooth. I can just show you the blocks here. The blocks are actually like the building blocks for the web, like they call it. And Shad has created a couple of sidebars here. These sidebars are great, but actually, it just hides the whole sidebar as well. I don't want that. I wanted to expand and collapse the sidebar, and that's why I like this one, because like I said, I'm actually building my own dashboard, where it's going to be a community dashboard just for me. That means you can basically join my community directly, and this is where we'll be chatting. I'll be sharing a lot of modules, I'll be sharing zip files, and how you can start monetizing your skills with AI. So for that, I'll need a complete dashboard, right? So that's why I'm going to use the sidebar component by Shad, which has been created. So now how do we implement this, right? If I'm starting from scratch, how do we implement this? Let's get started. I'll be sharing with you how to implement this, right? The first thing is open with v0.dev. So it just opens with v0.dev, just for you to get an idea of how exactly this looks like. Also, it renders in white mode on v0, but that's okay. You can make it dark mode too. All you have to do is just simply actually the sidebar, and if you see, it just built the whole sidebar by itself. I haven't written a single line of code. This is everything it wrote. It's just inbuilt. All I have to do is just do yarn start and then open on localhost. Yes, and this is how the sidebar looks like. Look at how clean the sidebar looks, right? So look at how clean the sidebar looks. You can just work on everything, just add backend, and then just build your entire website, man. And that's what I'm going to do as well. I'll be sharing a complete tutorial where I'll be building in live my own dashboard, where I'll have like a chat section, then a lot of AI tools, a documentation section, a lot everything, right? So basically I want to build something like school, but only for myself, like for my own dashboard, because I don't want to pay school $100. And also I really don't like the UI as well, because once you start liking ShadCN, you won't really like any of these UI, right? So I'm just at this guy's community. I think this guy also does like similar content here. So community, classroom, calendar, members, leaderboard, about. That's something I can add myself. And the reason I want to do it is because I don't want the platform risk, because school can ban me anytime, right? I want to have my own platform on my own domain. So that's what I want to do. So that's all for this video. It was a very short video that I wanted to share about ShadCN's latest component, which is the sidebar. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such content. See you guys again.